How to add a typing test to batches as an assignment. Open the specific batch. Find the typing test. Add it there. Create a new assessment. Add it to that. Select to create a typing test assignment. Remember to save, always save. It will redirect you to the online test page. Create an online test. Click on the Create button. Attach the typing test to the assignment. This is how your assignment gets converted into a typing test assignment. Click on Assign Typing Test button. Click on it. Choose the typing test. From your course, select it from the program. Here you will assign globally. Select the typing test. You can select it. Assign the typing test. Click on Assign Typing Test. That's how our typing test is created.